ACS edits. Hi, bro. So let's see what will happen today. So guys, welcome to the live stream on the second day of this week, and uh, previous day it was not possible to make the $2,000, but today we will try and let's see today our day will be successful or not. So we will start from a huge amount because if I invest here just only like little amount, well guys, once again we came like a little bit late here on the live stream because if we came like here 10-15 minutes before, then surely we get some profits here. As you can see, it was like completely moving to the upside. After that it's trying to move to the downside. So here also a downward Japanese candlestick is look like that it is forming, but we can wait here some minutes and after that we will invest here. We will start from the 2000. Oh, it came in the final in the upward direction. That's pretty cool. Let's take a risky trade. But if we check the history, like it was both lines of the momentum lines were in the upside and the graph is also moving to the upside. If we focus on the Japanese candlestick, like they are forming in the upward because from here till here both lines are in the upward direction, but here this blue line it came to the downward side and it you can see like here it also turned back to the downside. But for how much time it will move to the downside, so we have to wait here. So we will finalize it like it is still going to the downside, you can see here now. So let's wait, not too much, but we can wait like 3 minutes. I can make to the up trade, or we can check the Asia Composite Index. Well, Asia Composite Index also trying to move to the upside. Okay, I'm going to make like on both sides. Now it's coming to the downside. Well, we missed this chance. It was here downside, but after that it came back again to the upside. It will be beneficial point if it formed to the downside. Well, finally it formed to the downside. So let's make it. One trade here and another trade on the second side on the crypto one, which we are already using there. Here it also turned back to the downside. So let's focus on this one and then we will come back here again. It's pretty cool. Look like that it is trying to move just only downward. So we have still like 2 minutes. 1 minute and 20 seconds. This is our first trade on the Asia Composite Index. Nowadays when I am investing like huge amount on the Asia Composite Index, it's just giving me like losses. But we still have the hope. 4, 3, 2, 1. Mahi Adivasi Vlogs. Hello sir. Hi bro, how are you? Everything is fine. Well, 30 seconds remaining there and 20 seconds remaining there. It's trying to move to the upside, but I think it will take time to reach there because now 20 seconds we have left there and it came finally in the downward direction. Yes, now it is not turning back to the upside. So forget about the Asia Composite Index right now. It is not moving pretty well and it turned back to the downside. Let's check one thing. See, this one is forming in the upside when it gave the loss one. After that, the another crypto composite index also moving to the upside. I think the trend is came favorable in the upside, so we can make one uptrend. Uptrend we can make here. Well, it's pretty well moving and increasing to the upside. So I have the hope to make the investment here on the Asia Composite Index right now. Previous time it was forming to the downside, but here it now turned back to the upside. No, this is also moving to the upside. Guys, everyone can see like this is pretty well moving in the upward direction, continuous. A uptrend, a breakout is came to the upward movement, and 40 seconds it is in the profitable rate. But now still we have the 1 minute and 13 seconds, so we have to wait because this profit only recover this previous loss amount. So still after that we have to wait here for the 2 minutes, and I'm thinking that I can make one another trade of the 1 minute here. If it's turned back to the downside, then I will invest here surely because this is going to be profitable according to the right now conditions because it is forming in the upside. 45 seconds left only. Well guys, let's make. So I make like two trades. One is going to be profitable if it didn't move to the like downward side for the 2 minutes. And I think as I said, like 1 minute is perfect for making the profitable because 2 minutes take times and they change the directions and it's coming to the downside. 10 seconds left only and it is, guys, this is really bullshit. Oh wow. Wow, wow, wow. So everyone see this was really perfect and very interesting trade. Like as we know, when we got the losses, we got always like in the we got the losses on the last of the remaining of like 5 or 10 seconds. So in the 10 seconds it was completely profitable, but like approx 5 seconds it turned back to the downside. Both lines crosses and went a little far in the downward directions and completely it was lost. But in the last 3 seconds it came back again to the upward and gave a profitable amount. So that's really interesting. I have to wait here and I have to invest the amount here because now you can see one wow, it's like uptrend suddenly. We don't know like when they can jump to the upside or jump to the downside. Did you see just in 1 second from downward it crosses to the upward. Only 25 seconds left guys now. Today is perfect for you. Let's see how much perfect is. Today I am able to make the $2,000 or not. Let's see. We will get the result in the final of the time, but this is going to be profitable now on the crypto. I thought it was like useless. I never believe on the crypto composite index, but now it is like from the yesterday when the trend is going to the upward. I am feeling like proud on this crypto composite index. So 2 profits, and now I am thinking to invest again on this same amount. Well, that's really pretty cool. Let's make. Oh, it turned back to the downside. 18 seconds remaining now. 15, 14. Well, nobody expect this that it will turn back to the downside. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, trust me, if these 2 trades will become successful in the profitable rate, then I am sure like it gives the huge profit. And after that, I will feel proud that I can make and assure that I can earn 2000. But I need the profitable amount in both of these lines because they are also trying to go back to the downside. 40 seconds remaining of the previous one. Wow, it formed in the upward. Well, that's good. So now we have to, guys, I think the upper one of the 50 seconds will be profitable, but this one is going to be lost like this second one. Only 20 seconds left. And it is still moving to the downside. Oh, now it's completely moving to the downside. It has to be moved to the upward. Only 9 seconds remaining. Here the pattern is changed completely. 1 and so just because of the 1 second it changed the loss, but it's okay. We have still hope in the previous one. 20 seconds left, guys. Just don't move to the downside. Just stay in the 10 seconds in the upward movement. Don't go to down. 6, 5, 4, 3. It came in the downward. Only 3 seconds. We are okay. Then fine. So 1. Guys, like what is happening? 1 loss, 1 profit. Amount is neutral. Oh shit, it's okay. At least we are not in too much far loss. So here we have to focus and let's try on the Asia Composite Index right now. We already make a 3 times profitable amount and 1 loss on the Crypto Composite Index. This one is the best way, like faster recovery, because like one I make down, both I make the upward when I imagine like the trend is going downward and I already make a little far my trade. So I make the another trade on the lowest side, because if one will becomes the loss, then second one will gives the profit, and same thing is happen. So like I make two trades in which one profit, one loss, but my amount is like same, so I didn't notice like there is was loss or there was profit, because amount was same. So now we have to focus on the Asia Composite Index. Looks like that it is moving completely to the upward, and we can make uptrend here. I will make uptrend here now with the 3 minutes or 2 minutes, I don't know, but I will make. Okay, let's make a 3 minute. 2 minute is okay. I just make on the Asia Composite Index after a lot of time. Like first trade which I make from the starting, from the beginning on the Asia Composite Index gave me loss. You can see, I will show you here. This one 2 minute trade gave exactly loss, but I hope that it will recover the amount here on this, because both Crypto Composite and Asia Composite Index giving the highest percentage on the platform. Let's see here. Crypto 93, gold 93, Asia Composite Index 91%. And here you can see I can close this trade with a profitable amount of just only 60 dirhams. So I don't need of this. I will prefer to lose this amount instead of getting just only in the profitable amount only 80, 100 dirham. So let's wait. It's still 1 minute left and it's trying to move downward. It came finally in the downward direction. Guys, write in the comment chat, it will be this one gives the loss or profitable amount, because 40 seconds remaining still. Let's say profit, because it changed the direction and turned back to the downside. Now the hope is little less. I have to make the 3 minutes duration. So guys, I think today our dream will become like successful. Profit, profit, one loss here, and here also profit, profit. So I think today $2,000 will become true. So guys, join it fastly and let's see what will happen in the end. So this one profit, another one profit, this one profit, this one profit, and like so. So guys, one thing I want to tell you, the previous losses of the yesterday, they are recovered. Now our dream is to like, I don't need to be happy so much quickly, because maybe the next trade will goes to the loss. And you know, I make this profit by just only 2000 dirham. If I invest here just 4000, then in just only two profits will recover the all losses of the yesterday and also gives the extra benefit. But I think 2000 is better. So guys, I think So Asia Composite Index after gives the profit in the upward direction, like I make one loss there, and after that in the end time on the fourth profitable trade I recover the amount which I lost on the Asia Composite Index on the first trade. So now we have to look here on which platform, like platform is Olymp Trade, but on which assets I have to invest further, on the crypto or on the Asia Composite Index. I think this is also better, like it's trying to move to the upward, and I hope that it will continue to the upward. Oh, here it came to the downside and now it's trying to upside, so let's wait for a moment and let's make a uptrend here. 15 seconds remaining, 14 seconds remaining, 12 seconds remaining, 8, 9, 7. Well, it's pretty well moving in the upward direction. So guys, let's make a uptrend here. But here it looks like that it changed the direction to the downside, right? Or completely moving to the downside right now. It's better to don't make the trades here right now. Let's wait for a moment. This one bullish candle, this one bearish candle. Now it is forming a shooting star. Not this one, we can say shooting star, but it came in the upward direction finally in the end moment. Well, that's pretty cool. Oh wow, it reaches till here, but after in the end it came to the upward. That's really cool. I think a spin candle or doji candle form, but here a bearish candle form. So here it will form to the downside. Let me check one thing which I noticed. This was piercing pattern, but no, this one is not piercing pattern. Here piercing patterns came, but the exactly pattern is not coming. Well, this is going to be a huge, really a huge Japanese candlestick as compared. Oh, here also. One was here also. Well, crypto was moving for a little bit in the downward direction, but after that also trying to move in the upside. So we can wait for a moment because here anything can happen because this Japanese candlestick is forming here a hammer candlestick, and when a hammer form in the upside, then it shows the direction to also to the upside. So let's see what is going to be happen in the final direction. Well, it's trying, but according to the previous history, it's trying to still go back to the downside. But I am just depending on this hammer candlestick. I think it will turn back to the upside. But for how much time? No idea. Oh well, let's see here, guys. Um, that was really came in the upside, but after that it was form a little bit. Well, today it's really pretty cool. 2000, 2000, 2000, 2004 times. Like 8,000, like 200, oh sorry, $2,000 already make here. So I have to just make only 2 and 4. Only 4,000 dirham I have to make, and only like 2 trades can be finished. Only 2 trades can done to make the $2,000, because if you like check the currency pair of the dirham into the dollar, then it was approx like 7,000 dirham is one, oh 7,000 dirham is approx like $2,000, in which 4 times we got the profit of the 1800, 1900 profitable amount of the dirham here. So we can count them like 4 times, in which two losses we can neutralize, we can reduce, we can recover from these 4 profitable amounts. Even after that 2 times profitable, so like half amount is already done, is already profitable. Like from the $2,000 I make here $1,000, so just still remaining only $1,000 we have to do, and I hope it will also work. But nobody knows what will happen in the end time, so we can just wait and we can just make the another trades, and after that we will discuss about it, because my topic is to make $2,000 in this week. Well, here it's trying crypto, right? Crypto was came to the downside, now it's came to the upward, so I think it can move to the upward again, but still hoping that it will turn back to the downside. It will be more better if it is still remain on the same upside and didn't move to the downside. So let's make, and oh wow, 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 wow. This one is a composite index. So guys, I just make here to the downside, and let's see what will happen, because I didn't focus there. Otherwise, from the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minutes, continuously it was forming to the downward direction. But I think when I invested here, it will change the direction and will gives the loss. So let's wait for the 2 minutes, in which like 30 seconds already finished. Only 1 minute and 30 seconds we have to watch the result. As I told you, it was turning back again to the upward. I think I have to make now uptrend or maybe downtrend. Guys, only 1 minute left and it's still trying to move to the upside, so I think it is not going too far to the downside, and this is looks like that it is going to be lost because here now piercing pattern is came and it seems that it is not moving to the downside. It will try to move to the upside because I invested here. Let's say we will talk about it. 50 seconds we have to wait. That is 3 seconds there, 18 seconds here. Very near to our trade line, but also coming back to the upside. Yes! Just remain here for the 10 seconds. Oh, now it's still moving to the upside. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, do you want to say something? Because I don't want to say something. Just 1 second again. Only 1 second. Only 1 second. Let me show you on the chart. Only 1 second. 1 second, guys. That's really bullshit when we got the loss just because of the only 1 second. I was thinking that the remaining I too got this ACS edits. Let's now I have to make on the uptrend. I hope this will work and move to the upward. Just 1 second, just 1 second, and our 2000 becomes 1000. I think this is more better moving to the upward instead of the previous, the Asia Composite Index. This one is more moving upward. Let's see, it will move for how much time it will move to the upside. Maybe it will come back to the downside, so we have to wait here again. And in the next trade, if I lose this amount, then I will invest here 4,000. And let's see 4,000 will give the profit or not. Well, that's also pretty good. The main thing is that when we are investing, they are changing the direction. I think the market is analyzing us. Oh, it's completely went to the downside. Yes, bro, I will check the euro, but let me make just last trade here because the previous one looks like that it is going to be lost. Two minute or 3 minute, I think 2 minute is done. 7 seconds remaining. 33 seconds remaining here. We will check the Europe one. Oh, it's increasing. Guys, this amount will decide the loss or the losses. Everything this amount will discover. Just don't come to the downside. Why it's happening? Why? Like when I am investing, when we are investing, it's just changing the direction. Before that one just showing the profitable amount in the upward direction. So I can invest here again, 2000 maybe to the downside. Only 30 seconds remaining. Only 30 seconds. Now it's look like that it is moving to the upside. So I can invest here another 2000. I think I have to lose this. I have to skip from here from this Asia Composite Index because two times it gave me the loss because of the end of the 1 second, and it's really not good. Like we are getting the losses of the huge amount by just only 1 seconds. That's really. Let's see here what will happen. Only 1 minute left. I hope this will try to move to the upside. $30 here and 50 seconds there. See guys, again 30 seconds left. In the end time, always just making the downside and upside. And it's trying to, if it move to the downside, oh. Now only 15 seconds remaining. Only 15 seconds remaining. 8. 40%. I will take a relief when I will get this amount in the profitable, because this amount can recover the previous 4000 loss. 2000 it's not a big deal, it is okay, because I can it's now moving like completely in the profitable amount. Well, I have to invest here a little another amount. So 2000 I can invest it here for the 1 minute. Well, it's coming to the downside. Well, I have the one option, but I didn't imagine that it will give the loss when the 4000 was going to be lost. there was option like this here, close trade, and was giving the profitable amount of the same like 700 800 in the profitable amount, but I just thought like 10 seconds remaining and it will surely give the profitable, then why would I have to choose the 700 800 instead of the 3600. So I just didn't close the trade and I got the loss just of the 1 second. But here the amount is recoverable here now. This big, this 4000. Still after that this 2000 I have to recover, and this is also big issue here. So let's wait for a moment here. Well, now 2 3 4 5 profits, 2 4 5 loss, like neutral amount is going on. So let's make where we can invest. This is also trying to move upward, but it's going very upward, and here it looks like that it is coming and trying to go back to the downside. Oh, here it will move to the downside. Completely it is moving to the downside. Still we have the hope on the Asia Composite Index, like it will try to move continuous to the upward. It can give the beneficial profitable amount. Oh, Europe. Still we have the hope here, so let's wait for the 2 minutes until the profitable amount will not come here. So guys, after these two both came in the profitable, we will take a break. Only 57 seconds. Oh my god, it came in the downward, just 30 seconds far from there. Thirty seconds, 20 seconds, like everything is moving. One loss and second is also going to be lost. As I told you guys. See, it came in the downward direction. Let's take a break. 4 times I got the loss just because only 1 second, only 1 second. It's okay, we will recover this amount also. Already we were in the profitable amount there, but suddenly they changed a breakout fall here, but we can't do anything in that amount, so let's wait a break. Here it's still moving to the downside. 17 seconds left. If these two profitable will comes, then the previous losses will be profitable, but we have to still wait for here, because this one on the crypto is going to be completely profitable, but we have to sure about on the Asia Composite Index, which is moving in the upward downward both directions. Well, here is still chances to get the profitable amount. I will close the trade here if I looks like that it is going to be loss here. 30 seconds. $25 seconds left. Whites came to the downside. Oh, wow. First, let's focus on this. The Asia Composite Index, which looks like that not giving the profit, but actually it gave the profit, and the another one, Crypto Composite Index, which looks like that giving the profit, it suddenly changed and giving the loss here. Now it changed the completely to the downside. Only 7 seconds remaining. 4, 3, 2, and here also. Now it will go back to the upward. See, it's still same amount. Guys, let's take a break and then we will come back here again. Okay guys, see you soon after 10 minutes exactly. We are going to take a break here. Muhammad Arwaz, hi bro, how are you? Wait a second, when I changed this amount 3000 here, I thought I was put only 2000. Well, sometimes a simple, silly mistakes happen. It's okay. 50 seconds there and 14 seconds here, and it's still moving to the downside. Crypto. So crypto is going pretty well right now in the upward direction. Four, three, two. Oof. Guys, four times I lost his huge amount of 2000, 3000 just because of only 1 second and 2 seconds. So this is the main reason that why we get the losses, just because of only 1 second and 2 seconds. Otherwise we always in the profitable amount, but sometimes it happens just because of the 2 seconds. The main thing is that the last 10 seconds, only last 10 seconds, they gives the result of the final result, like it will gives the profit or it will becomes the loss. Everything depends only on the last final 5 seconds or 10 seconds, you can say. Mostly times 1 seconds get the losses, but we can't do anything in that. It is, see, 45 seconds remaining here, and it is very exactly point here, and it's moving now downward. When we make the trade here, it is forming to the downside and very moving to the downside. Otherwise before it was moving completely to the upward. I think I have to make for 1 minute duration, because only 2 minutes durations I got the 4 times losses continuous here. So from my side I think I have to choose here 1 minute duration. This is the Euro Composite Index. Nine eight seven six five four three two one. 1 minute 30 seconds left, and it will decide the choose. Like after the break, as I noticed in the last time of the 1 hour, mostly chances of to get the like losses in the starting time when I started the live stream, like continuous 5 6 profitable trades, and after that they are just moving in the loss. I think they are analyzing what is going to be make, what is they are like investing here, because before this it was completely pretty, and here you can see now the direction is completely changed. 3 times 3 minutes it was completely moving to the upside, but when the time is came to finish the trading duration, it changed the direction to the downside. Let's check the another composite index which is moving to which side. Time is only 30 seconds, and I think it will not go back to the upside. It will remain same to the downside. See, it was moving upward. I just click here one trade now, and it changed the direction to the downside. That instantly movement. Mostly time it is happening. So now we have to wait for the 3 minutes. I was get the 4 times losses just because of the 1 second, and duration I put there like 2 minutes. If I got like 1 minute duration, then surely it will give the profit. But here we have to check like final result where it will move in the upward or into the downward. 3, 2, 1. Here the momentum lines are still looks like that they are moving to the. Wait a second, why I'm just making only up trade and up trade if the trend is moving only on to the downside? Well, I hope this one will gives the profit, because here right now it is coming to the profit and 2 minutes is still left. It's pretty well moving in the gold one. Oh, I didn't expect that I am using the gold one. So gold one is also came in the loss. A doji candle form here, and it will move, I hope, in the upward direction for the 1 minute only, 20 seconds. And this one just continuously moving to the downside or downside. Here is spin candle form. Oh well, that's pretty cool. Here a hammer is forming, and the candlestick size is very bigger. Only 15 seconds remaining here. $40 there, 14 seconds here. What do you think, guys? I think this is going to profitable amount, because already it was moving to the losses, and it here. That's good. 30 seconds remaining. $20 remaining. Oh, it came very, very fast. I think, see, it's still now it's in the profitable, but in the end of the like 9 seconds, we can say it can gives the losses. But it's 4, 3, 2, 1 profit. That's pretty good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All in the final seconds, it came and turned back to the upside. Uh-huh. So we have time is still like 20 minutes. And in 20 minutes, I hope we will recover the distance of the previous, like we get the losses in the starting time. We got like almost half amount of the $2,000, like $1,000 was profitable amount. But here now we have to do it from the starting. And like continuous 4-5 trades, we have to go the win. Asia is not perfect. And this is just moving to the downside, but I think it will comes in the profitable amount in the upward direction. I think Asia Composite Index will turn back again to move to the upward. So let's wait for a moment. 15 seconds remaining. Crypto composite index. Well, it's trying to move to the upward right now. 3, 4, 2, 1. A spin candle form here and it will try to move to the downside. Yes, it will try to move to the downside, but we are hoping for moving to the upward, so it can give the beneficial amount here again. So as I told you, it will turn back to the downside, and here the 52 seconds remaining and it turning back to the downside, and I think it will move to just only downward after a movement here. 20 seconds of this candlestick and our time is 40 seconds. "25 seconds remaining, but I think it will not cover the distance of the trade duration in just 25 seconds. Only 15 seconds left, guys. It has to be more like 1 minute extra. Only 10 seconds. It came a little bit near, but now only 5 seconds, and it is going to be 3, 2. Now it's not moving, but it will try to cover the distance in the next trade. Like for continuous 3 minutes, it was 3 minutes. Yes, 3 minutes it was moving in the upward. After that 3 minutes it was moving to the downside. And this is the gold one. Gold one is moving completely to the upward. I think let's make on the gold one. "13 seconds remaining on the Euro Composite Index, and I think it will try to move to the upside. What about the Crypto Composite Index? Wow, Crypto Composite Index pretty well moving to the upside, and I hope this will continue move like this in the upward direction, because here a doji candlestick form, not doji, but we can say like a little bit looks like the hammer structure. Oh, I forget one thing. 15 seconds, 10 seconds. Well, we missed the crypto composite index, which was completely moving to the upside. 16 seconds left now. Let's make for 1 minute duration on the crypto composite index. I think I can make for 2 minutes here. Mm-hmm. Very short Japanese candlesticks are forming here. Very short. Like there was smaller size on the gold one, not like upward, not downward, just like randomly 1 second say distance between there. Here a little bit increase, but I think it will also return back to the same size in the previous one. But it will not continue like this. Here will maybe upward and maybe downward, but according to these conditions, it is just moving right now in the upward. Oh, 30 seconds remaining now. It's not looking for. Mm-hmm. Why it's lagging? Why it's stuck here? Nobody knows it's moving to the upside or downside. Both things are happening here, guys. 20 minutes left. Still the time is 1 minute 30 seconds. Mhm. Wow, a dozy formation occur. Only 13 seconds. Only 13 seconds, guys. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 14. 'Like after a lot of time, I'm trying to make here a downtrend, and when I click on the downtrend, it will move to the uptrend. Only two things are happening here, like uptrend, downtrend. Only we can do only this thing. 17 seconds left. ACS edits, what happened today? Like in the last 1 hour, everything is changed. Before this, if like you are staying here in the starting beginning time, we are getting the like only profits and profits, only profits. But in the end time, like just mostly our losses today just because of the last 10 seconds. I was just making like uptrends. Okay, from the starting, I am making the up trades. One time I tried to make here a down trade, and this down trade is going to be lost. And now I am thinking to make the up trade. So I think that it will move to the downside. Like opposite. Today is also opposite day. I think this week is not good when I decided to make. Oh wow. Well, I missed the chance from here, guys. I missed this chance on the gold one. It was completely moving to the upward for a moment. It happened sometime. 2, 1. She said it's okay. Yes, it's okay. But now see, I didn't look here on the gold one, and gold one was moving completely to the upward for the 6 minutes. And now I want to make one trade in the upward direction here. Now it's like doing something pretty weird, like you can see. Now it is forming to the downside. So many times we just miss our chances to make on the perfect time, on the perfect trade when we are thinking like, and we can look like it is going to be profitable, but it changes suddenly the directions. Well, I will recover this amount of the today by sitting at home, maybe in my free time. So we are stay here just for 10 minutes, and after that we will say goodbye to each other. Five, four, three, two, one. See, in the previous I make first time down, I got loss, and here I make the now like I make a last trade on the upward direction, which is looks like that it is going to be loss. But if I make here, if I invest here to the upside in the upward direction, upside is already. But if I make here down trade, then it will move. Surely it will move to the upside. And I make here to the upside because this Japanese candlestick, the hammer is forming here and in the downward direction. So it will gives the direction that the another Japanese candlesticks will move in the upward direction. So let's wait what will happen after the 1 minute and 20 seconds. But here it's changing the direction and both lines are opposite, moving to the downside. Yellow one and the blue one. It changed the direction completely. When we make that trade in the upward direction, it changed the direction. Let's say it will move to the upside or not. Only 55 seconds remaining here. $40 remaining here, and like the time is same, just only 5 seconds remaining. 33 seconds are here, 40 seconds are there. It came in the profitable amount. 25 seconds, 22 seconds, 25 seconds, 22 seconds. Like we can close, but I don't want to close here. Like there was option. Now it's impossible to close the trade, but it went to the upside and we have the time to close the trade, but I didn't close it. I just waiting. Maybe it will move to the further and gives the profit. But in the 6 seconds it will not move to the upside. 2 and 1. Like ACS edits, too much losses just because of last some seconds. What we can do with these some seconds? Sometimes they looks like that they automate fixing the time, like when the trade is going to be like profitable after the end of the 1 or 2 seconds we can do like just losses. Almost like 6-7 times today I got the loss just because of only 1 second. And I think like as today I'm investing here more huge amount, so maybe they don't want to like take the huge benefits. Other days I invest like 300, 500, 1000, so we got like every time like in the profitable amount. Trade in 5 seconds, it's risky but profitable. Yes, it's risky but it's profitable in the end of the uh, 5 seconds. Trade in the 5 seconds, it gives the like quickly beneficial but quickly also losses. 2 days happen, now we didn't get the like profitable amount here. Like what is the difference? As I told you, like in the starting time it was like profitable, but after that in the time goes up and the losses came just because of only like there is no guilty, there is no sadness, there is no worry about it, because like I get some losses today, but the main thing is that like almost 6 or 7 trades of the huge amount like 2000 dirham, 3000 dirham, I got losses 6-7 trades just because of only 1 second. That makes like really you know, like it's more better if I got the losses by 1 minute far distance, 30 seconds distance, but by just single 1 second, like pure profitable trades, completely profitable, but in the end of the 1 second they change the direction and like loss. That's really bullshit, and nobody can't do anything in just 1 second. 3, 2, 1. So guys, this is last trade and we will say goodbye to each other and we will go home. Okay, this is last trade. "25 seconds remaining, but we have the time is too much, not only 25 seconds. Let's check. Well, it's still like 1 minute and 1 minute is left. "40 seconds remaining and it's trying to go back to the upside. And it came upside like after the end of the like 20 seconds. It came completely upside. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Why it's suddenly changing so much quickly? Oh. Now it's coming back again. So see guys, let's finish the today's stream. This is really bullshit. Every time just losses because of only 1 second. It like someone tracking. I don't know what is going to happen here, but like completely profitable trades are turning back to the losses just because of only what? Just because of only 1 seconds. In the starting time, continuous 5, 6 I got the profitable, but after that just only losses and losses. So guys, see you again on the next time. I hope this tracking system will not work on the next time because the today market analysis is like pretty unpredictable. So bye guys, see you soon again on the next live stream. Bye everyone.